I just went from a simple text prompt to 10 live Etsy listings in under 5 minutes with AI art, mockups, and listings all generated in MyDesigns. Now, I'm going to show you how to use this all-in-one system to get your Halloween products live on Etsy faster than your competition. So first, we'll generate Halloween images using Dream AI. Next, we'll bulk publish them as acrylic ornaments from Printify. And finally, you'll see how MyDesigns automatically writes and optimizes your listings to help you get sales much faster. Let's get started. All right, so I'm over here on Printify and I'm under the early access category. So I see these custom cut acrylic ornaments. These are great. You can see I can cut around the shape. Another example here being this donut. I think these are awesome. Acrylic's great. It's not gonna break. You're not gonna have those type of issues with your ornaments. This will work great for Halloween ornaments, Christmas ornaments, any type of ornament. It's another really good style that can cut around custom shapes. So with that being said, they don't have mockups, but what we did at MyDesigns, we onboarded this product, we have the mockups, and you could still use Printify for fulfillment. So let's show you this process. I'm over under MyDesigns. I already have my Printify account connected, meaning I can go publish these products through MyDesigns. If you need to do that, just go to account settings, go to print partners, and you can connect it in 2 seconds. Now, I'm just gonna jump right in. I created this folder called Ornaments. So under Home Demo Ornaments, I just created that folder, then I opened it. So you can see it's an empty folder. Now I'm gonna go to Dream, and I was using Nano Banana, and I went ahead and already generated just some different Halloween themed elements. Very simple, right? These are just a digital art style. Now, if I actually go, let me just refresh this real quick. You see that the prompt is so simple. A stylized broomstick in a digital art style, black stroke outline on a plain white background. You can get way more creative, but I want to keep this simple just to show you the process of getting these published. So I took this and I just scaled it here. I just said scale this. Once I had one prompt that worked well, I just said scale this to the top 10 Halloween type of elements that would work great to sell on Etsy. That's all I did, and then I just generated them in bulk, and now you have them here. So what I'm gonna do is just grab, let's get 10 of these. So that's 1. Let's go here, 2, 3, 4. Get one of these spiders, let's see. I'll just uncheck that one. We'll go with this one. The bat, I'm gonna probably have to switch it upside down. I'll show you why in a moment. Let's go with this hat. Well, actually go with the one without all the elements. Go with the cat, and let's go here. And we'll grab one of these spiders. I think these ones are better. Let's go here. And I think that's probably good. There's other ones down there. So you can see I have 10 different designs selected. Now I do want to remove the background, so I'm going to save these to that folder we created. So save the listings. And I'm going to change this to the MD 1.5 model. We'll also upscale these, why not? Just save them to my ornaments folder as a new listing, and that's it. Now we're going to remove the background, it's going to upscale them for us, and then I'll save them over there, and then we're literally ready to publish. So we'll jump right into that once this finishes up. All right, so that's already done. Let's move over to the listings page. We'll change the view so you can see these a little better. Got all of our designs sitting here. They're all upscaled. They look better than they did on Dream. We generated those with just simple text prompts. You don't need to be a designer anymore. All right, so let's select these, all 10 of them. Go publish, and if you have Etsy connected, if not, you can go to your account settings, connect it, choose Etsy. Now I'm gonna type in acrylic, and you'll see custom cut acrylic ornaments. Click that, it's got the Printify selected. You can see we're using their printer here, the only one they have. If you have Printify Premium, it's $4.05 to sell these, which is great, because you could probably sell them for around $14. All right, so now it's already generating the design. So one thing to keep in mind for these acrylic ornaments, again, they're custom cut. So you need to align, you can see right here at the mockup, you need to align these towards the top. And MyDesigns makes that easy. So I'm gonna go to Canvas. And on all of these designs, I'm gonna just move it up. You could right click and sync. Some of those might be a little too high, but let's just move those to where it's basically not quite touching the top, but very close. And this one I might move over a little bit more towards the middle. Let's move that one up. This one as well. This hat might be a little more tricky. I'm gonna actually just flip it horizontally. Move it this way a bit, get it all the way up there. While staying within the printed area. The cat can be right there. And the bat, like I was saying, I might just turn this one upside down. Move it up. And let's keep going. All right, skull, just move that down a bit. Now I think that's good. Let's save it, and then it'll re-render all those mockups while we wait. Let's go add a few more mockups to the listing here. Again, these are MyDesigns mockups for this product. We follow their guidelines. If you want to read the guidelines for these products, you can see down here. You could just zoom in. we have underneath so you can see what is recommended there. All right, so there we go. That's looking better already. So let's go through and rotate through these. You can see how it cuts around it, which is great. Let's take a look at the rest of these. It'll take a minute to load these. I'm just going to toggle to the end here, make sure everything looks good. And then once it does, we'll just go through the publishing process, which is very fast. We'll write the titles, descriptions, and tags. So you can see these are looking much better. Everything's connected on the mockup side. Yep, I just want to double check all those look good. And they do. All right, so that's it. Pretty simple, right? Now I'm going to toggle generate a video mockup on too. That way it just creates a simple little transitional video mockup. Next step. So this step is Vision AI. It'll scan your design, it understands the product you're selling, and it'll write optimized listings for Etsy for you. So we got all 10 selected. I'm using the Vision AI feature, by the way. Let's change this to, you could go with MD 2.5, which is recommended. That's the little bit slightly older Vision AI model that will generate the older structure for Etsy listings, but they're starting to recommend the newer structure, and that's what MD3 is. So we'll try that with this one. So custom cut acrylic ornaments. On the product type, I'm going to do acrylic ornament in here. And under custom instructions, I'm like this. Please consider this when writing listing details. All right, so I'm just giving it some custom instructions that's not required, just to make sure it understands that we're trying to push these towards Halloween. And let's just generate the Vision AI data. So now it's going to scan our design across all 10 of those listings in bulk and write that data for us. Again, it's using the new structure for Etsy, their SEO structure. So that's why you're going to see right here, it's a shorter description, but Halloween acrylic ornament, spooky pumpkin, orange seasonal decorative. Looks great for what Etsy recommends now, but if you want, you can use the 2.5 model. But let's rotate through these real quick. Yep, mushroom Halloween decoration. Everything is looking good. Understands it perfectly. All right, so let's go to the next step, which is pricing. And right here, it's pulling in my pricing from my own Printify account. MyDesigns is amazing because it links to your Printify account. Orders come into MyDesigns when they come in and write to your Printify account under the right SKU, completely automatic. So I'm going to probably price these at like, let's go $13.99 and apply. Well, that's for one right there, but I'm going to come over here so I can apply to all 10 of these. You see edit price applied. Now if I rotate through these listings, you can see the pricing is applied to all of those. Approximate profit, $8.53. You could probably get away if you wanted adjusting this to like $9.99. But if you run a discount, you probably don't want to do that. So I'll leave it at $13.99. Apply to all, and move to the next step. All right, so we're basically already done. You can see how fast that was. Let's put these under ornaments under the category. Seasonal decor ornaments, perfect. And everything else I'll leave the same, but that's literally it. Your shop's here. I'm going to choose our demo shop, and you get a preview here of all the products, the details, etc. And with Vision AI, we include the product details too, about the actual ornament itself, which is great. You can see it's extremely strong material, which is long lasting. And that is it. Let's go ahead and just click publish. And MyDesigns does everything else.